APKs Review 2026, Scam or Legit? In this video, we're taking an honest look at APKs to find out whether it's a legitimate online shopping website or just another scam. We'll examine its trust signals, customer feedback, website history, and the red flags you should know before placing an order. Before we get started, if you're interested in checking out this website, you'll find its link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Let's start with the basics. APKs is an online shopping website that sells a wide range of products, including household items, electronics, tools, and other discounted goods. At first glance, the website looks professional, offers secure payment methods, and advertises attractive prices. However, appearance alone doesn't determine whether a website is trustworthy. One of the biggest concerns is that APKs is a relatively new domain, meaning it has very little long-term reputation or customer history. Several independent website reputation services also give the site very low trust scores because of multiple risk indicators, including its young domain age, hidden ownership information, and similarities to previously reported high-risk shopping websites. Next, let's look at customer feedback. At the time of this review, there are very few verified customer reviews available. The limited reviews that do exist include complaints about refund issues and products not meeting expectations. While a small number of reviews doesn't automatically prove a website is fraudulent, it does make it harder to verify the overall shopping experience. Another thing to consider is transparency. Trusted online stores usually provide clear company information, verified contact details, and an established business history. In the case of APKs, some important ownership details are hidden, which is another factor that independent security analysts consider when evaluating website trustworthiness. So does that mean it's a scam? The honest answer is there isn't enough independent evidence to say that every order will result in fraud, but there are enough warning signs to recommend caution. Independent security services currently classify the website as high risk or suspicious, and they advise shoppers to verify the seller carefully before making a purchase. If you still decide to order from the site, protect yourself by using a payment method that offers buyer protection. Avoid spending large amounts on your first order. Carefully review the return policy and keep records of your purchase and payment confirmation. Here's my honest verdict. Based on the currently available information, APKs raises several red flags that should not be ignored. The low trust ratings, limited independent customer history, hidden ownership details, and recent domain registration make it difficult to recommend the site with confidence. Until it establishes a stronger reputation and receives more verified positive customer feedback, it's safer to shop with well-established online retailers. If you'd like to visit the website or check its latest products, you'll find its link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest website reviews, and let me know in the comments which online store you'd like me to review next.